Hello guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we are going to analyze HYPR network, HYPR network, and I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. I think it sounds like hyper network, but some people might call it HYPR network. So let's see what this project is all about. So actually I was going to make the video for this project a week back when this project was launched, but I was not unfortunately able to make it, so I'm making it today. So I studied some of the things about this project a week back, so I hope I can remember those things right now when I'm making this video. And yeah, so before we start this video and study some basic things and then go to the document section and white paper, I would like to let you know that any project success depends totally on the decentralized nature of the project in the long term. That's how the project success depends upon. So we are going to see whether the HYPR network project is decentralized enough or not, or even if we don't find that, we will also I will also try to educate you about the importance of decentralization during the study of the white paper and everything. And so I'm also giving you this little chess puzzle. So here the game of chess is basically about collaboration, and that's what decentralization is all about as well. So you can try to solve it. It's black to play, and you will have to do collaboration between all the pieces if you want to checkmate white, and this will give you a slight exercise to your mind about the importance of collaboration and decentralization, because that's what made Bitcoin what it is today. The decentralized nature of Bitcoin is what matters in the cryptocurrency industry today, and that's how now the time has come for Bitcoin ETF as well. BlackRock has literally filed for the Bitcoin ETF, and SEC is going to review it. It is under the review right now, but most of the people say that it is going to be one of the legendary events in the cryptocurrency market. So that's how the power of decentralization can show up, and this small chess puzzle in which black has to checkmate white will give you a little bit of importance about the collaboration between all these pieces, which is synonym to decentralization. So anyways, let's get started with HYPR network now. So as you can see here, the market cap fully diluted valuation is nearly 6 million, which is a big number if you personally ask me. And if you see the price of the token, then it had reached 0.075, and from that it has been down around 22 point something %. And yeah, apart from that, if you want to see some more information for the project, then about trading volume and other things, then you can go here on the CoinGecko page and try to extract that information. So yeah, that's all I have about for this coin in the CoinGecko page. And now let's directly move to the website page of the HYPR network. So HYPR or HYPR is a layer 2 blockchain built on the top of Ethereum to enhance its capabilities and address its limitations. So now let me be clear that if you are new to crypto, then you might find this exciting, but this kind of projects has already been around. But whatever I studied before a week back about this project, from that what I found different was that they are specifically focusing on the gaming section. So that might turn out to be a different approach, but overall layer 2 solutions has been around for 5-6 years, and you can see Matic and Solana. Solana is of course not a layer 2 solution on Ethereum, but it is more like a different type of a blockchain. But overall the solutions they all serve the same purpose. So it is specifically designed to focus on providing a fast and cost-effective platform for zero knowledge enabled on-chain games. So I will go to the document sections, and you will find that what is zero knowledge later on. But you can say that zero knowledge is more about secrecy, and those kind of blockchains has already been made in the projects like Monero or you can say Zcash, or all those privacy coins. That kind of technology is used there, but overall in gaming and layer 2 and this zero knowledge enabled on-chain games can turn out to be a good thing. But again, let me be clear that this entire project requires a lot of technical skills, but the project has to be managed in a decentralized way, so the community needs to run this project. So without community, if the project is being run, so for example, let's say that there are a few handful of developers who are running this project, then in the longer term, sustainability of this project is going to be hard to achieve, because you are in a competitive market, and when you are in the cryptocurrencies competitive market and you are proposing just another layer 2 blockchain solution, then in that scenario only your community can save your project, not a few handful of developers. So handful of developers will have to bow down to the community. That's what the idea behind decentralization was, is, and always will be in the cryptocurrency market. And so even if you are going to create any cryptocurrency project for your own self, so a lot of why people create all these cryptocurrency projects, because they want to build wealth in the cryptocurrency market. Okay, so because they understand, these people, that if we want to really generate wealth in the cryptocurrency market, then we'll have to launch our own cryptocurrency project which is relevant to the current market conditions. And even if you want to create wealth, then you will also have to do the same, because these guys know that just by investing in different cryptocurrencies, they are never going to be rich. So that's why anyone, if they want to build wealth in the cryptocurrency market, then they will have to create something which is truly decentralized, and it is a proper cryptocurrency or NFT project. If that is the case, that's why these people are doing this. So first of all, you will have to understand the basic concept behind any cryptocurrency project. So anyways, let's go ahead. By utilizing zero knowledge proofs, HYPR ensures enhanced data privacy and security for gaming applications, enabling players to engage in transactions and interactions without revealing sensitive data. This approach not only reduces transaction fees, so honestly, first of all, let me be clear that providing privacy and transaction fee has, according to whatever my knowledge is, they do not have any interconnection. But anyways, it can be, because these things are very technical, but according to my knowledge, that is not the case. But anyways, this approach not only reduces transaction fees and improves scalability, but also significantly reduces the processing time, resulting in a seamless and efficient gaming experience. With this innovative feature, HYPR aims to revolutionize the gaming industry and unlock the true potential of blockchain technology in the gaming world. But again, blockchain technology's true potential is decentralization. So whether this entire project will be managed by the community of 500, 1000 or even more people on the continuous journey, will that be done? That is going to be a real solution for blockchain technologies. So that will be the real use of the blockchain technology. So there needs to be a powerful community. Let me be clear. So anybody wants to build wealth, create wealth in the cryptocurrency market, whether you want to create wealth or this HYPR network project team wants to create wealth, then they just need to be connectors between people who are willing to run this project on their own. The community, they just need to be the connector between the community members, 500 or 1000 community members. So that's how they are going to build wealth, and that's how you are going to build wealth as well. Of course, if you go for the projects like Binance has created, exchanges and all those centralized projects, then things are different, discussion will be different. But if you really want to build something on the blockchain technology, then it has to be decentralized to build wealth. Anyways, ridiculously fast network latency can completely ruin the user experience. With sub 1 second block times, HYPR is one of the fastest chains optimized for game developers. So as again I keep saying that these guys are totally focusing on the gaming section. That's what I studied last week as well, and as you can see, there are a couple of features as well for the gamers. So if you want to see those features, then you can go on the website and see. I am not going to go into the details because we have still some of the areas to discuss left. Anyways, these are a couple of their latest articles. Now again, in this article they are saying that Hyper team blacklist suspected bot addresses. Now this decision is, let me be clear, that this decision is made by the team of developers, which may be 5 or 10 or maximum 15, I guess, because it's in the initial stage. But if the same decision is made with the consent of the community, or made by the community who are willing to run the project on their own, they want to the community who is willing to create this project a self-sustaining project, then only the value will be there for the investor. That's what my point is. Because if 5 or 10 developers are running the show, then there is always chance for a lot of manipulation. That's what my point is. I'm not against this project. I'm not saying that these guys are going to do any kind of manipulation. And of course the team can also create a great product for their users as well. Let me be clear that it doesn't mean that they are not going to create a good product. It means that there is also great chance that they will create a solid product for users. But I am talking this video only from the investor's perspective. You are going to be an investor, and what things one should be scared of is the key thing if one is going to be an investor. So that's how the things are here. Anyways, now actually I forgot what I was discussing. I was discussing something about this, but anyways, I will now move to the white paper section, and let's see what the HYPR network white paper says and explains to us about the project. HYPR is an OP layer 2, I think, layer 2 blockchain built on top of Ethereum to enhance its capabilities and address its limitations. It's built with the OP stack and specifically designed to focus on providing a fast and cost-effective platform for zero-knowledge enabled on-chain games. By utilizing zero-knowledge proof, HYPR ensures enhanced data privacy, security for gaming applications, enabling players to engage in transaction interaction without revealing sensitive data. So we have already read this on the website page. We are not going to see this again. Now let's see. I'll try to explain a little bit about zero knowledge proofs, but I think they have explained it very clearly. I read it last time and it was explained very clearly. So now let's see what are zero knowledge proofs and how they work actually. So zero knowledge proofs are cryptographic protocols that allow one party to prove or to demonstrate to another party, the verifier, that they possess specific information without revealing the actual information itself. In simpler terms, it enables you to prove knowledge of a secret without disclosing the secret. So it's very if you want to understand this in layman terms, then I would like to say that if you have a secret of one of your friend, and your friend is saying that, I'll give you money if you tell that secret, what secret you know about me. It's that kind of a thing actually. So I hope I tried to give you a better example, but they have already mentioned it here very clearly, and I hope you understand it. Apart from that, the three properties of zero knowledge proofs are completeness, soundness, and zero knowledge. So zero knowledge is the very key feature if you want to understand zero knowledge proof, and that is, if the statement is true, the verifier learns nothing about the secret except that the statement is true. So this is how the technology of zero knowledge works, and a lot of privacy coins have applied this technology in their coins. Apart from that, this is the brief history of zero knowledge if you want to go through it on the document section. Apart from that, this is their tokenomics, and I actually went through the tokenomics address. What let me see if it, so this is the tokenomics, and I again have to say one important thing here, that this tokenomics has also to be decided by the community. If it is not decided by the community, then project always lacks chance of decentralization, and without that there is always going to be risky with any cryptocurrency project. That's why it's very important that even the tokenomics of the project should be decided by the community, and the rewards for the people who are going to manage the project has to be also decided by the community. So for example, miners who are going to managing the Bitcoin network, the reward has decided by the community technically now, because that's how the Bitcoin network is. And similarly, the people who are going to run the project Hyper Network, the community that is going to run the project, if ever this is going to happen, then in that scenario the rewards for those community members should also be decided by the community, because that's how the things should work. And that's why I'm always concerned with every cryptocurrency project, that how decentralized the project is. And that's why when I have given you this small chess puzzle, I hope you have tried to solve this during this video. Yeah, so anyways, apart from that, this is the Hyper Growth Ecosystem Fund. Again, this has to be the decisions regarding this has to be done in the decentralized manner, because that's the only approach that is ever going to work for any cryptocurrency project. And now without decentralization, a lot of problems occur in the future. So for example, when this project will face competition, they will try to hide profits from the community. I'm not saying that this project is doing that, but a lot of projects are doing that. They are hiding their profits. First of all, most people are not making profits, and even if they are making money, they are hiding it from their community. So if investors are not going to get a share of the profit, they are not going to get any kind of transparency regarding the profit, then what's the point of you investing even in a successful cryptocurrency project? That's why I keep saying that community has to decide everything from top to bottom if you want to keep things sustainable and growth oriented, because layer 2 solutions are not something which is new. They are going to face the competition. So now only thing which can stand this project alone is decentralization. So that's why I keep saying that decentralization is the key to success for any cryptocurrency projects. Apart from that, these are a couple of features regarding random number generator feature, which is going to be helpful in a lot of games. For example, the games regarding dice, and the games, I think even it can also help in games like roulette and everything. So so as I keep saying that they're specific focusing on the gaming section, but again you will have to focus on how much decentralized the project is. Apart from that, there are a couple of other references if you want to go through how to connect how to add this coin in MetaMask and all that. And apart from that, I think it is you can also see here on the CoinGecko which exchanges this project is available on. So let's click on the market, and you will see, I think mostly it will be on, yeah, it is on Uniswap only. So it has a pretty decent volume as well. Yeah, so now anyways, let's conclude this Hyper Network coins topic here, and let's quickly see what is the solution for this chess puzzle. So here the correct move is knight takes knight, and then the pawn takes knight, and then the next move here is, I think I forgot the next move, but I think it is knight I think it is this move, yeah. And then you will have to put your queen on sacrifice, and then you give this check, and then you put your rook here, and he'll be forced to put his rook back, and then you can capture the rook, and it is a checkmate. So as you can see, the two knights here, the collaboration you can see here, two knights, queen, this pawns, and this rook, everything collaborated with each other, and then black was able to do the checkmate. So that's the power of collaboration, decentralization. The more collaboration happens between people in the cryptocurrency market, in any project, even Hyper Network project, it's going to only help the Hyper Network project to succeed. The investors will have a good time while investing in the project, but that everything depends on the power of collaboration between people. The decentralization approach of the network will decide everything in the future for the project. So that's all I have to say. I will leave the video now, and I hope you liked this content, and if you did like it, then I assume that you will like the video, and you will also subscribe to the channel. And also I'll put the link about my own Telegram group in the description. So if you want to join my own Telegram group, then you are most welcome to do the same. Take care. Bye bye.